and welcome back to my little pink casa. I'm glad to be back. I'm excited to share a little bit about what I've been doing and also what I'm going to be sharing in this next season. It's also the 14th anniversary since Little Pink Casa began when I started it as a blog in memory of my grandmother and her beautiful little pink house. Today, I decided it would be a great day to start back up this season in the year 2026 to begin again. For those of you that don't know, I started my Little Pink Casa as a blog, and then I moved on to a YouTube channel, which is what you're seeing right now. So, Little Pink Casa is a little bit of antiques, a little bit of vintage, a little bit of tea parties, and romantic home and garden now that I've started my garden. It's been such a wonderful 14 years of sharing with thousands of ladies across the world. And a lot of you have become such good friends throughout the years and have followed me for many, many years and seen my family, seen my daughter grow up, see us all evolve into what we are now. And now I'm in my midlife era. So my life looks a little different now. And I'm excited to share that in this next season. The reason why I keep saying next season is because I decided that I was going to create a series that I feel it's more like a television show. Now, this is why. Because I find that as I start to create videos with Little Pink Casa YouTube, it ends up starting at a certain time just naturally. I don't even plan that. And then it starts to fade away at a certain time of the year. So as I'm starting to see that pattern, I realized that I should just continue that. So you can think of it as one of your favorite television series, maybe on a streaming network you like so much. All of those are the details for what I think is a good thing for me and what I can manage right now in my life with everything that I'm handling and also wanting to create content, long form content here on YouTube. Okay, so let's talk about what I have been doing. So, the last time I left you was last fall in 2025. And during that time, I started creating a dream garden that I've always wanted. Those of you that have been following for many years know that I have been living in a rental and that I have been wanting to have my own garden and been able to have all the dream flowers and roses and have it like cottage style garden. So this was the year. If you remember, I created a video when I turned 50 in August last year that turning 50 was a midpoint in my life where I wanted to start doing the things that I always wanted in my life that I had never completed or never started. Making this garden has been a dream of mine, and it's been one of my priorities in my life right now. And that's what I've been doing. I have been creating a cottage rose garden dream from scratch in my backyard. I did start in my front, and that's how we kind of were starting last season, last year, where you saw me do that. But this year, it's all now. The backyard has become a transformation, which I'll be sharing more of that with you. I'm so excited that you're going to see glimpses of that in this next season, too. So you can look forward to that. We're going to have fun tea parties in the garden. We will have our tea party in the dining room, which is also a favorite of yours. So now a little bit of what you can expect. I'm going to be uploading 2 videos a month, and if I can do more, I will. But my priority right now is creating my garden and sharing that content on Instagram because that's where I have it. I also have my Mary Kay business that I'm working along with all the other things I'm doing in my life. So I need to be able to have time to balance all of that, but yet I still want to share things in the home having to do with Little Pink Casa. Now, the good news is that I did reopen my Instagram for Little Pink Casa, and I had closed that a couple years ago, and I reopened it. So if you want to go over and hop over there, please follow me, and I am sharing content there now. And you can see glimpses throughout the week, along as you are waiting for long form videos on this channel. I want to thank you so much for following along all these years. And if you're new, thank you for coming along on this journey. I love the nostalgia. I love bringing back the beauty and grace of the bygone era of yesterday. And that is what we achieve to do here at Little Pink Casa, along with having elegant tea, sharing romantic home and garden, and even some fashion that you all enjoy too. Please let me know in the comments what you want to see in my videos that coming up in the next season. I'm open to suggestions, and we will talk again in my next video. Have a beautiful day.